Hey guys, so today we will be learning about incentive. So what is incentive? Well, incentive is something that is motivative, or encourage you to complete an action. So for example, there's two job that they were offering you, and one job is being a tour guide and another one is being a forest ranger. A tour guide, you got free trip. Yeah, free trip, you can go around the world and it's all free. But this is seasonal work. Seasonal work, like in the summer or maybe in the spring. Or being a forest ranger, you work all year, but you got health insurance and winter bonus. So which job offer provides incentive with greater monetary value? So we have learned about opportunity cost. If you choose one of the option, you won't be able to choose the other option. But if you choose one of the option, you won't be able to choose the next best option. Yeah. And we have learned about cost benefit analysis and value-based criteria. Yeah, it's to help you choose the best option. So there's two option, two job. You can make a cost benefit analysis. You can use cost benefit analysis to choose a job, or you can make a value-based criteria table to choose the best job. Well, a tour guide would be fun because you would got free trips. Let's say you got to Paris. If somebody go to Paris, they must know French and they also must have a lot of money to go to Paris. Well, you know a lot of French and you know a lot about their culture too, but you don't have a lot of money. But being a tour guide, you can go to Paris, it's free, and it is a seasonal work. You can only work in the summer because maybe that's time a lot of people go around the world a lot. But you won't get health insurance or winter bonus. If you're being a forest ranger, you work all years, you got health insurance and winter bonus. Okay. So which job offer provides incentive with greater monetary value? Well, I would choose being a tour guide because it's fun. You can go for a free trip since I know a lot of language. But I also want to be a forest ranger because then I'll get health insurance and also get winter bonus. So maybe I'll choose being a forest ranger because health is the first thing. Okay, so yeah, like that. So next example, let's say you're going to buy some shoes and you were told that if you buy 2 pairs of shoes at a regular prices and get one more for third pair for one half or 2 half, and you get the third pair for half prices, let's say that, so it can be easier. You might buy more shoes. Yeah, you might buy more shoes. That the incentive, you might buy more shoes because if you buy 2 shoes and you buy another one, you'll get half prices for the third one. Then you can also get bonus points on tests or payment for doing something like babysitting. Or do you know that babysitting are also babysitting? Yes, you can get bonus point on test or payment for doing something like that. But not all incentives are weighed equally. To be a good decision maker, you must have the ability to weigh the different incentives that come your way. like the first example I told you, that if you choose being a forest ranger, you'll get health insurance. You'll get health insurance, yeah. You get winter bonus, but you would have to work all years. But if you work as a tour guide, you will get free trip. And you only work for one season, a seasonal work. So be sure to consider the monetary value of an incentive. Now let's practice. What is the purpose of an incentive? Well, it is used to motivate or encourage someone to complete an action. B. It is used to provide employees with a break and some entertainment. C. It is a bonus given at work because the business manager feels generous. What is the purpose of an incentive? We know that incentive it's used to motivate or encourage someone to complete an action. So A would be the best answer. It isn't used to provide employees with a break and some entertainment, because we know that incentive is something that used to motivate or encourage someone to complete an action or do something. It doesn't have anything to do with employees and giving break and some entertainment to the employees. So B would be the correct answer. C. It is a bonus given at work because the business manager feels generous. Well, maybe your business manager is generous and she gave you bonus point, or he gave you bonus point. But what about the other business manager out there in the world too? Maybe they aren't generous. So C isn't the correct answer. A would be the best answer. Sammy's business provide dance lesson. She wants to provide an incentive in order to promote her business. Which would be considered an incentive? A. Sammy is an excellent dancer. Well, maybe Sammy is an excellent dancer. So maybe she wants to provide dance lesson to show off her talent. If you pay for 2 months, you get a 3rd month free. Okay, this one might be an incentive. A. Sammy's an excellent dancer. Well, it isn't anything that consider like something to do with incentive, because we know that an incentive is something that motivates or encourages someone to complete an action or do something. So Sammy's an excellent dancer doesn't have anything to do with incentive. B would be the correct answer, because you know what? If you pay for 2 months, you get a 3rd month free, because Sammy's, maybe she paid for 2 months for like $100 for $100, and she got 3rd month free. Maybe that's an incentive. It encouraged her to pay for the dance lesson. Dance lessons are $45 a month. Well, maybe it's on sale, but in this answer, it doesn't say that it is on sale. So in this question, it isn't saying that this is on sale, because so maybe this is not on sale. It is $45 a month. I think B would be the best answer, because if you get 2 months, then you get 3rd one free, a whole 3rd month for free. And it encouraged Sammy to do it, to pay for the 2 months and get a 3rd month free and get the dance lesson. I'll choose B. So what is the important part of being a good financial decision maker? Well, A, you must have the ability to weigh the value of the different incentives that come your way. This might be the correct answer, but who knows? Let's read the other answer. B, it is very important to make choices that bring a short-term fun and entertainment. C, you must have the ability to make good financial decisions without thinking very much about them. So what is the important part of being a good financial decision maker? Well, you must have the ability to weigh the value of the different incentive that come our way, because not all incentives are weighed equally. So to be a good decision maker, you must have the ability to weigh the different incentives that come your way. I would choose A because that would be the best answer. I read these and I don't think that is so good. It is very important to make choices that bring short-term fun and entertainment. It is very important to make choices that bring short-term and fun and entertainment. Let's say you work, but you got fun and entertainment, but you won't get many money because you won't get many money. Let's say you work for 1 hour very hard, but you have fun and you have entertainment, but you only get paid $1 a day. Okay, that's not good very much, okay? That's not very good for you, isn't it? Yeah, so that's why this one is not a very good answer. You must have the ability to make good financial decisions without thinking very much about them. Okay, you can make good financial decision, but you must think about it. You must think about it. Okay, without thinking very much about them, you might make the wrong decision. C is not a very good answer. I would choose A. Last question. I want you to do this and comment in the I want you to do this and comment in the description, in the chat box. Yeah. And thank you for coming. I hope you have a wonderful day. And incentive, yeah. Remember, remember, be sure to consider the monetary value of the incentive. Also, not to be a good decision maker, you must have the ability to weigh the different incentives that come your way. And thank you for coming. Have a good day.